All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Rick Reed here, people, with an amazing opportunity. I mean, I am so excited that I got started with this program. I'm happier than a mad dog in a meat factory. So you put a mad dog in a meat factory, you know he or she is so happy. Now, I'm going to teach you how to feed yourself, your family, your friends for a lifetime. With this opportunity, it has the potential to do just that, okay? If you're tired of being broke like this guy is right here, this is your opportunity to do something about it. $500 to $3,500 weekly, daily, monthly in your mailbox, full or part-time. This postcard is awesome. It's something I created, okay? Right up here is where the stamp can go, all right? And I'm gonna tell you about my bonuses. Your stamp go right here, your name, your address, your information go right here. Look, sometimes people move or they pass away. Your lead is gonna go here, but guess what? The current resident will get your postcard. This is what I'm talking about, people. The current resident there will get your postcard. All I want you to do is go to mailboxmoneytime.com. That's www.mailboxmoneytime.com. It's a couple of short video there, about 3 minutes. I want you to listen to them, okay? You can have a duplicated website like what I have, all right? And the way I'm showing you how to do this is probably the best way for you to do. Everything rise and fall on leadership. I'm not one of those sponsors that's gonna get you started and leave you hanging. And the other thing is that sometimes people that get you started in the business, they may not be working that business, okay? I have several opportunities that I'm doing. I have my own flyer program that I'm operating at the same time. But I do like the postcard, this particular postcard program. So I have several ways of having income coming in. I can teach you to do the same thing, okay? Now here's the back. Okay, so when you go to mailboxmoneytime.com, you're going to see this ID number 876. You're going to see that ID number 876 because the way the company have it set up, you have to put that ID in, and here's my name. So when you put that ID in my name, you're going to my group, all right? And that's very important, all right? And here's my phone number, 346-704-1754, okay? You can call me, you can text me. Again, 346-704-1745, all right? Now, when you go to mailboxmoneytime.com, look at the 2 videos. The second video is going to tell you how to sign up. It's going to go step by step, instructing you what to do. All right? That's mailboxmoneytime.com. Now, I want you to click on the subscribe button to this channel so you can get all my important updates of everything that I'm doing. I'm going to teach you about credit repair because it's not about how much money you make. It's also about how much money you make you get to keep, all right? I'm going to teach you about my flyer programs, the postcard, a whole lot of great information. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? Like and share this particular video, okay? And just take in the information that I'm going to show you, all right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you get paid with the company, okay? This is the Cash Building System Unlimited. Here's the updated commissions chart. See, when a person gets started, It's only $50 for you to get started. Okay? $50 for you to get started. It's a one-time fee. Now, after you get started with that $50, they're going to send you 200 postcards. And they're going to send you 200 hot leads for you to send the postcard to. Okay? The $50 is going to get you into the program. When you're into the program, the company is going to send you 200 postcards and 200 leads for you to send those postcards to. Not only that, they're also going to send me 200 postcards and 200 leads because you got started in the program from my postcard. That's awesome, people. That is amazing. Every time someone gets started from your postcard or anyone on our team, because you will be on my team, we're going to get 200 postcards and 200 leads. Think about that. So let's say 4 people get started with you, okay? That means that you get, what, 800 postcard, 800 leads because 4 people got started from us. All right, now, let me kind of go over the system here because they do have a upgrade, free upgrade, but that upgrade starts right here at level 2, okay? Level 2 and above, level 2, now, once you pay that $50, if you get started at level 2 and above, and that's where my bonus is gonna come from, okay? From level 2 and above, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna give to you, all right? So at level 2 and above, if you start at level 2, they're going to upgrade you at level 3. Now people, what that means is, it's gonna cost $1,000. So that's gonna be your $50 for you to get started, and then $1,000. So that means, well, let me put it like this. At level 2, if you come in, everyone gets started at $50, right? Okay, but the level 2 and above for the upgrade, it has to start here. So if you do 500, it'll be $550. You don't send that money to me. Everything gets sent to the company, all right? And that goes in the, straight to the company, all right? So the company is gonna be sending the money to you, all right? So what happens is, I'll get $350. The company's gonna get $100. The person, my sponsor, will get $100, and the company's is gonna get $50. Okay? So that means if you got started today, it will cost you $550. $350 will come to me as your sponsor. Okay? It's because that's a 70% commission we all get. All right? My sponsor that got me started in the program will get $100. What did he do? What did my sponsor do? All he did was show me the program, okay? And because he showed me the program, he's gonna get $100. He's gonna get 200 postcards and 200 leads. I'm gonna get the $350. I'm gonna get 200 postcards and 200 leads for getting started. And the company's gonna get $50, all right? But that's for the upgrade. And that's why it's so important for you to upgrade as soon as you can, and whatever level that you can, you're getting upgraded to that next level, okay? Now, I'm gonna go over my bonuses, what I'm gonna send you, and these what those bonuses are. I'm gonna send you $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. People, you can't lose with the coupons that you choose, okay? My story is that I went to Walmart, my groceries came up to over $190 plus dollars. After I gave them the groceries, guess what? The coupons, guess what? I paid a little less than $90 for my groceries, saving myself over $100, people. So I was able to get a pedicure, manicure that day, and I took myself out to eat. Also, what I'm gonna give you is my postcard stamp program. If the company is sending you postcards free when you get started, and they're sending you leads, and I'm sending you the opportunity with that postcard, you put it in an envelope, you got your stamps, you get these stamps, okay? Now what happens is you could get 100 stamps, 200 stamps, 300 stamps, 400 stamps, and people, $50 every time someone joins you from this flyer. $50 and 100 stamps, 200 stamps, 300 stamps, or 400 stamps. They get to select what they want to do, okay? Not only that, but when that person gets started from your flyer, you're gonna move to box number 2. People, there's a residual income of $50 and 100 stamps, $50 and 200 stamps, $50 and 300 stamps, or $50 and 400 stamps, people. Now, your postcards free, your leads free, and your stamps free. Mailbox money time, people. It is time for you. You won't be broke. No more being broke. Your pockets won't be empty because you got mailbox money coming. People, go to www.mailboxmoneytime.com. That's mailboxmoneytime.com. Look at those 2 videos there, okay? Give me a call, or send me a text. Here's my number right here, 346-704-1754, 306-704-1754. Let's build this thing together. This is your opportunity to participate in your own rescue. You're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. I'm here to help you all the way. If you're tired of being broke, hey, let me help you do something about it. Remember, like and subscribe to the channel. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. Let's get that mailbox money. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. God bless. Anytime someone gets started, it helps support my prison ministry. So the things that are important to God become even more important to you. God bless. I look forward to seeing you on the team. Let's do this. Let's have a great day.